How to add and remove members in Viber group. Start by opening Viber on your device. Tap on the message icon at the bottom right. Tap on New Group or Community at the very top. Now select the people that you want to add in the group. After you're done, tap on the arrow at the right side to proceed. You can add the group name or group picture as you like. After you're done, tap on the icon at the top right, and your group is created. Now to remove the members, tap on the three dots at the top right. Go to Chat Info. Scroll down to Participants. Now tap on the profile of the person that you want to remove. Then tap on Remove from Chat. Tap on OK to confirm. And that's it.